What's up, YouTube? This is the Nemesis Coop with another quick little video, and I'm going to be opening a TunerCrate box today that I got in the mail a couple days ago. I just haven't had the chance to actually look through it. I did open it already, but I didn't actually really look at everything because I did notice that it was opened before I got home and took a look at it, so I just wanted to make sure that, there was actually stuff in there. But nonetheless, I've been doing this for a couple months. A lot of the stuff is really cool. They send you t-shirts, microfiber towels, anything car related. I've already got a couple die-cast models from these boxes. I think it was a Datsun 510, big Datsun 510. But yeah, a lot of cool stuff. I mean, it was between this petrol box and I forget the other one. There's another one that somebody else does in the shop that does this kind of thing. So this is the medium sized box, and I have it set to JDM because, I mean, JDM. But you can pick domestic, European, or JDM as your three themes for your boxes or whatever, and your t-shirt sizes as well, because I think you get a t-shirt in every single box, because every box that I've already gotten, I've gotten, oh my god, well, let's see, 1 2 3 4, I think I've gotten 6 t-shirts already, 2 in one box at one time. But without further ado, so we've got an oval applicator. So this will be good for waxes, polishes. This will actually come in handy for coatings and whatnot, because I'd like to recoat the Civic at some point. We're gonna actually put that like that. We've got official seal here. Spray wax from Armor All. Fast, long-lasting wax. Yeah, we'll see how long that lasts. We got another smelly good thing. Smelly t-shirts. Not sure what the Gen Ray. I don't know if Gen Ray is the smell. I don't know. One of the things that I did get was that smells super good. I got that in one of the boxes. We got a t-shirt, which I'm going to try to do this one-handed, so don't judge me. That's pretty slick. I'm going to wear the shit out of that. We got some more stickers. Brian Supra. That's pretty cool. Boss 302 Mustang. And a Ferrari. I don't really pay attention. I think that's a LaFerrari. I don't know. Listen, don't fucking judge me. Don't hate me. I don't really care too much for Ferraris. We got these. So I have a bunch of these. It's like these little trading cards with specs on them. Here's Brian's Eclipse. Gives you all the specs, quarter mile times and everything. They're pretty cool. I dig them. McLaren. Okay. And we've got this gigantic sticker of what looks to be, oh shit, it's already coming. It's already unpeeling from the thing, from the back. What looks to be a Lamborghini Countach and DMC 12. Yes, no, correct me if I'm wrong. That's what it looks like. Yeah, DMC 12. I recognize those doors anywhere. I used to love that car. First time I saw it was in obviously the what movie was that? Oh my god, Back to the Future. Fell in love with the car immediately. And supposedly DeLorean is actually somewhat making a comeback. Now, it's not actually the same company as, you know, what John DeLorean himself created, but they're dubbing themselves an electric car company and working on a new EV for this ever-changing market, to which I want no part of, because I like my Honda Civics. I like loud things. I like my manual transmission. I really don't care for electrics. So that's that. I'm going to keep doing videos of unboxings and everything of what I end up getting, and kind of show you guys what you're in for as far as that goes. But until next time, catch you guys later. There's that Jeep. Send it. Flip it.